Hi everyone, my name is Aiman Latif Amani and I'm currently studying in Urban and Regional Planning at Universitas Gadjah Mada. In this video, we will discover about how we create physical and social environment for our cities to make them sustainable, inclusive, and resilient. But it is not just about map, buildings, and road. It's about people, power, inequality, and global issues like climate change. One of the biggest challenges that faced by all of human for today is climate change. Start from the rising temperature, extreme weather, rising of water level, and air pollution. It's not just an environmental problem, they are also a social problem too. To understand this problem, we will bring you beyond this problem in social theory and development point of view. So, what is the climate change? Climate change is a long-term shift temperature in a Earth average temperature and water pattern. Human activities have the vital role for climate change, primarily due to burning of fossil fuels, deforestation, and greenhouse gases. And also, climate change is not equal. The people who contribute the least to the problem often suffer the most. Low-income communities, especially in urban areas, are more likely to live in places without trees, poor drainage, or near polluting industries. That's why urban planning and social theory come together to solve this problem. In this section, we will try to know how the society works, who holds the power, who is left behind, and how we design the space to tackle the issues. Let's look at some social theories that connect and relate to the climate change. 1. Conflict theory. It sees the issues of the power and equality within society. Climate change can be seen as a result of the conflict between the interests of different groups, and also it causes inequalities as the impacts are often unfairly felt by the marginalized people that has less contribution to the climate change. 2. Functionalism theory. It focuses on how society works together to maintain social stability and equilibrium. Climate change can be seen as a disruptor to the equilibrium society that can affect various social structures including economy, health, and agriculture. 3. Symbolic interactionism theory. It shows how do people develop and rely upon in the process of social interaction through symbolic meaning. Climate change can be understood as a social problem that interpret through interaction with the others, personal experience, and the symbols and meaning associated with it. And the last one, 4, globalization and social risk theory. It shows how the modern world is connected between each other. With climate change is now a global risk in modern world. Everybody in the world new forms of a global cooperation to solve this problem together. A society is now more reflexive to adapt with future risks of climate change. National border is no longer used as global power gain prominence to unite the world. How we do solve this problem? As urban planners, we work on spatial solutions in which how space is designed and used. Here are some examples of spatial solutions that can be used to tackle climate change. 1. Urban space greening. Urban space greening is one of the ways to mitigating the climate change. It is defined as the practice increasing green space in cities through parks, green roof, community gardens, and street trees with aims to improve air quality and reduce urban heat effect in urban area. 2. Public transport and walkability. Public transport and walkability offers low emission alternative to driving and walkable neighborhoods to reducing car lines that also contribute to mitigate climate change. Climate change is more than environmental crisis in the world. It's also a social problem too. To solve it, we combine general planning and social understanding. Social theories help us to know how climate change has the big impact for society in the world, while urban planning gives us the solution to reshape our physical world. Together, they give us the power to build cities that are not sustainable but also justice, inclusive, and hopeful. And that's it from me. You can like and comment my video, and bye bye.